Welcome to Drafts by Salman, Episode 0. The engineering world has a big problem. When I was working at the refinery doing manual lineups on heavy crude units, I realized something. We are still relying on old disconnected systems. But the future of engineering isn't just physical equipment, it's software. I'm Salman, and I'm taking real world engineering problems and solving them with modern coding. I'm building a platform called Acetizers from scratch. My goal is to take complex physics and math and connect them directly to Python code, digital twins, and AI, of course. But here is the truth, I don't have all the answers yet. This is why I'm building this completely in public. On this channel, we are going to write code, we are going to build physics simulators together. You will see my real process bugs, my mistakes, and of course, our wins. We are not just reading textbooks, we are building real tools. These are my blueprints, these are my drafts. If you are a developer or an engineer who wants to grow with me, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Let's build this together. Welcome again to Draft by Salman.